gujiya.
Let's start with the step 1, how to make organic Holi colors.
So let's do it.
Let's do it.
Guys, for the gujiya dough, you will need some maida, milk and ghee and a little bit of salt.
So guys, for making the organic Holi colors, the ingredients are corn flour, food color and some water.
So guys, let's start making the dough now. For this you need 100 gram of maida, and now we will add 2 tablespoons of ghee. So I've added 1 more teaspoon of ghee. Now just let's mix it like this. This is how the dough will look like. Now we will add 4 tablespoons of milk. And a pinch of salt. Let's mix it. Guys, our dough is ready now, and we rested it for like 25 minutes, and this dough should be hard enough. And now we are going to make some small balls. And I'll put this ball here. So we are gonna make some more balls just like that. You have to put a little more pressure on this. There should not be any lines. It should be clear like this. We are done with making the balls from the dough. We will cover this with a cloth till the time we are making the filling for this gujiya.
Now let's start with the step 1. Put 1 teaspoon of red color. Put 4 tablespoons of water. Mix it well. Now we'll put 4 tablespoons of corn flour. So the paste is very runny, so I am adding some more corn flour. Now make sure the paste is thick. And Massi is helping me to mix the mixture. It should be thick like this.
Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Then add 1 tablespoon of suji and mix it. You will smell the aroma of suji and ghee. And now turn off the flame. So guys, now we will add some khoya in it. I took it for 60 grams. And make sure that your pan is hot enough and the flame is not turned on. It should be off. Now let's add some coconut. Add some 2 or 3 tablespoons of crushed almonds and cashew nut powder. After this, add some kishmish and some chironji and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now mix it. And lastly, you have to add 60 gram of sugar powder. So let's add some sugar. Guys, take 3 different bowls and add these fillings into it. A little bit of filling in each bowl. Guys, we will add some colors, different colors in this different 3 bowls. So I'll start with this red color. It's a food color. So just take a pinch of it. Just a little bit of orange here. A little bit of green color. Now we will mix it. So guys, this is how it will look like after mixing the colors.
Now take a foil paper. Fold the corner of the foil paper so that the color don't go out. Pour the paste. Now let the paste dry for 4 to 5 hours.
Now we will add a little bit of oil in it for frying the gujiya. It is around about 250 grams of oil. And now we will heat it on a low flame. Now start making the gujiya. Now we will roll it and make sure that it is consistent from all the sides. After this, take the mold of gujiya, put this over here. And now we will add some of our fillings. Just a little bit. And now we'll apply some water just over here. So you have to close it very hard and take out this extra one. So this is how it will look like, and now we will fry it.
After 4-5 hours of drying, it looks like this. Now let's put this into the mixie jar. Now let's turn it.
It should be on a low flame. So guys, this is how it will look like. A little golden brown. Our gujiya is ready now. Now let's cut it. So this is our multicolored gujiya.
Now my gulal is ready. So just like red, I made yellow and green gulal. For the yellow gulal, I use the yellow food color. For the green, I use the green food color. So guys, if you like the video, smash the thumbs up button,
share and subscribe to our channel, and wish you all a very happy Holi!